Hey, I'm Adam Jusko, and this is Adam Answers, where we answer the burning and not so burning questions of the day. In this video, what's inside the Apple HomePod Mini box? That's what we're going to take a look at, do an unboxing and see what's in here. And then I'm also going to try to get it kind of up and running and see how it works and what we need to do to make that happen. I have not had a HomePod before, so there is the more expensive HomePod that has been around for a while, and this is the HomePod Mini, the $99 version, much less expensive than what has been out there. So let's open it up, see what's there, see what we can figure out. All right, so I already pulled off the cellophane wrapping, and I've already kind of shown you what the box looks like, but here it is. This is your top of the box, which I assume replicates the top of the HomePod Mini itself, and then on the sides we've got the picture of it. You can see that I got it in the white color and not the space gray, I think the other one is, or space silver or something like that. Mini. Another shot of it, and then Mini in a different kind of typeface, and then down below is just like some actual numbers of the serial numbers and all that kind of stuff. So that's what the box looks like. So now let's just pull it up and see what is inside of there. Do the shake out here and see what we can... There we go. So there it is. You can see that it is taking up most of the box. All right, now let's pull it out and see how things look in there. Pull that out, not a whole lot more in there. I'm sure there's some stuff underneath there, but let's look at the HomePod Mini itself first. It's not super tall, and we'll take that stuff off. But anyway, here is the iPhone 12, just for comparison of size. You can see that the HomePod Mini is mini. All right, so I've unwrapped the cord to the HomePod Mini, and I will show you, and hopefully you can see that that is a USB-C connection. And as I have pulled out, so far this is all we have. So let's see if there is a an adapter in there to actually plug this into the wall. All right, what else we got down here? Piece of cardboard here. And this one does have an adapter, so unlike some of what Apple has been doing recently, you do get an adapter with the HomePod Mini. I had to check a little closer, but this actually is the same 20-watt adapter that you can use with the iPhone 12. You might know that the iPhone 12s do not come with an adapter anymore, and they have come out with a new 20-watt adapter, and this is the same one because I actually have the 20-watt adapter, so I'll pull that off of there. But anyway, so this will work along with your HomePod Mini, but if you have an iPhone 12 and you don't have an adapter, this will work the same way. You have the USB-C connection there, and then obviously it plugs into the wall, so that is a good thing. If you happen to get both of them and you don't have the kind of higher power 20-watt adapter here, you could have the HomePod Mini and the iPhone 12, and you wouldn't have to buy yourself an extra adapter. All right, so we'll plug that in, and then we'll plug it into the wall. All right, so that's cool. We got that pulsing white light going here. It is plugged in, obviously. Now, just to let you know here on the back, your cord is attached to this, so you're not gonna pull that out of there. That is part of the equipment. And by the way, we got this sticker on the bottom, and there's your Apple logo underneath. But anyway, so it looks like it's about ready to go. I'm not sure what to do next, so we're gonna have to look at the directions. And here they are. All right, so I'm gonna read those, I think, off screen, but those should tell us how to get this baby started. All right, well, I guess I don't have to do all that much because my iPhone 12 has already picked up the fact that the HomePod Mini is close by. You'll see that that's on the screen there. And so all we gotta do is hit setup. And I don't know why it needs to know what room it's in, but let's just say it's in the living room. And it looks like I can have Siri either recognize my voice or not recognize my voice, so maybe that means anyone could use it. I don't know if I recognize my own voice. Maybe that means only I would be able to talk to Siri on here, but we'll see. So I'm just going to skip that. And then you can go through your iPhone and Siri, and just like everything else with Apple, you can connect everything to each other so that you could talk to the HomePod Mini to find out, anything that is on your calendar or whatever else you may have personal information and other settings on the phone to have it tell you, you got a meeting coming up or whatever. And then you can talk to Siri on your HomePod by saying, "Hey Siri, hey Siri." Nothing happened, so we obviously need to do something else to make that work. Maybe it's because I haven't agreed to all these terms and conditions. And then I unfortunately missed the screen where I had to sort of put the HomePod Mini into the little frame, almost like taking a picture of it, and then that got me to the next step to actually setting it up. I'm not quite sure what the reason is for that, but that's how that worked.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you.
Hey Siri, off. Alright, so I'm in Apple Music, and I figured out when I get to this screen here, I can tap this little baby. Whoop, there we go. And if I hit Living Room, which is what we called the HomePod starts to play what is on the iPhone. So that's kind of how that works, and then I can go back in here, and if I just click Living Room again, it'll go off and it'll go back on to just my phone. Alright, so that's pretty much the basics of how it works. There's obviously some more investigation to be done, but like so many of these sorts of things, you really are going to control a lot of it either through your phone, or when you have Siri all set up, you will talk to Siri and do everything through your voice. So that's pretty much it. That is what is inside your HomePod Mini. You've got the adapter here so that you can plug it in. Otherwise, just some very brief instructions. You're going to control everything through your iPhone or your iPad or other device, and then you can talk to Siri through the HomePod Mini as well to do whatever it is you want to do, whether that is music or, you know, ask about your upcoming schedule or whatever all those things are. So in upcoming videos, maybe we'll do a little more investigation of what all this can do, but for now it's just to show you what's in here and how to get it set up. Questions, comments, put them in the comments section below. Otherwise, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.